Good morning, Aldersley. It's Friday the 3rd of July. It's Miss Huntington, and today I'm going to be talking to you about online safety, how you feel online, and how you're making other people feel online. Don't forget the resilience calendar for July. So today, adopt a growth mindset. Change I can't into I can't yet. So how did you get on Wednesday's challenges? Did you secure some award points? Did you ask for help when you needed it? And did you show somebody kindness? Hopefully you had a fantastic inset day yesterday and some of you had a go at the inset bingo. So today I'd like you to visit thinkyouknow.com, which is a fantastic resource for online safety. Order your social media. Are there people who you follow who don't make you feel good? Do you need to stop following them? Reflect. How do you feel when you're online and how do you make others feel? So are you safe online? So Safer Internet, this Internet Day this year was in February and the global theme was free to be. This theme is about exploring how you manage your online identity, how the internet shapes your own self-esteem and confidence, and how you view others. As you can see, there have been several Safer Internet Days. From 2007, where it was Unite for a Better Internet, 2018, A Better Internet Starts With You, 2019, Together for a Better Internet, and then this year, Free to Be. So if we start to think about what's common, it's about making the internet a better, safer place for everybody. How does the internet connect us? So the internet has not always existed. In the past, people spoke to each other face to face, they had to meet up, they sent each other letters. How does it connect us today? Well, it connects us because we can constantly be in contact with people. We can be in contact with our friends, our family, but we can also be in contact with people that we don't physically know. So we can be connected with people from across the world, from different ages, different backgrounds, different interests. How has the internet changed our lives? Well, it's made things really, really quick. We can find information about anything at the click of a button. We can talk to anybody across the world at a click of the button. So it's changed our lives in many ways for the better. But we need to think about managing our online identity. Is your online profile different to what you're like in real life? And are other people's online profiles different to what they are like in real life? Can you be yourself? Do you allow others to be themselves? So your online profile versus your offline self. So I'm thinking of Instagram, for example. The pictures that people post on Instagram are normally representing their best possible moments. You're not going to put a picture of yourself on Instagram where you don't feel like you're looking your best, or your food that you've cooked isn't the best you've ever cooked. You're putting on Instagram your best possible life. Often these pictures are photoshopped, and we look at lots of celebrities, they're putting things on the internet to sell a product, for example, that they don't necessarily even use in real life. So the question I want you to think about is, who is the real you? How does the internet make us feel? When does the internet make you feel great? So when are you A, B, C, D, E? But there are also times when you feel worried, you feel anxious, you feel upset, you feel angry, you feel frustrated. Because I know there's lots of times that I look at social media and I feel those things. How do you make other people feel online? Do you make them feel A, B, C, D, E? Or do you make them feel anxious? Do you make them feel upset? Do you make them feel worried? Do you make them feel embarrassed? Do you humiliate people? So how does the internet allow you to express yourself online? So it's estimated that 3% of Facebook profiles, 15% of Twitter profiles and 8% of Instagram profiles are fake. So there are millions of fake accounts on the internet, and we must be aware of those risks. As mentioned before, we must be aware of fake news. We must be aware of fake photos, of people changing their appearance to make us feel a certain way. And we must be aware that lots of celebrities are trying to sell us things. They're trying to encourage us to spend our money. The internet can make you feel limited or afraid to be who you want to be online. 37% of young people have said they experience cyberbullying on a high frequency basis. And in fact, lots of people now just believe that being bullied or trolled online is normal. It is not normal, and it's very, very difficult if you are a victim of online bullying. It makes you afraid to be yourself, it makes you afraid to post things, and it can make you feel very, very withdrawn, lonely, and upset. If you are a victim of online bullying, then please talk to a trusted adult or one of the head of years or Miss Papari. If you are bullying other people online, whether it's a celebrity, whether it's somebody you know, then stop. Using the internet can help us with a lot of life skills. So, for example, decision making. So when you're online, you have to make decisions, whether to believe something, whether something is right or wrong, whether you agree or disagree with people's points of view, whether you like or dislike something, whether you're going to be kind or unkind, how long you're going to spend on that particular site. Loads and loads of decisions we have to make all of the time. We have to think about leadership. Are we leaders in positivity, or are we followers and we just follow what everybody else is saying? We have to be resilient and stay positive, which is often really, really difficult if the news is negative, or if it's a really controversial argument that we don't agree with, or if somebody's being unkind to us and bullying us online. Often it's really, really difficult to stay positive in those circumstances. What can you do to make the internet a better place? I want you to reflect on that today and think about everything you do on the internet. Is it making it a better place, or are you contributing to people feeling upset, frustrated, hurt, alone or angry? Okay, don't forget today's challenge is to visit thinkyno.com to think about your social media and how it makes you feel, and how do you make others feel. Have a great day.